Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to delete all data in WordPress website. By the end of this video, all the data of your WordPress website will be deleted and your WordPress website will be restored back to default. So let's see how we can do it. So this is our WordPress website and today we will delete all the data and make it look like a default. So we will restore this website to default. So first of all, we need to log into our WordPress website dashboard. Now to delete all the data, if you do it manually, it will take a lot of time, but I will show you a plugin, and with the help of this plugin, you can delete all the data at once. So we are going to click on plugins and then click on add plugin. After that, search for reset. Install this first plugin and activate it. After that, from the left menu, click on tools and then click on WP reset. Now scroll down and here you will see the site reset option. Just type reset here and then click on reset site. Click on reset WordPress. Log in again to your WordPress website or go to the live website and refresh it. And as you can see that we have successfully deleted all the data from our WordPress website. So this is how you can delete all data from WordPress website. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel.